I am so happy Peace of Mind Inspection came to my open house today. Apparently, I have some work to do on my brand new renovated listing. And so you've got a story for me. When we think we have it right, but we don't.
Yes, ma'am. So, I would personally say no house is absolutely perfect.
Okay.
I
got my open houses.
As a home inspector, we go into places most people don't want to go.
I'm not going in my attic. I've never been in my attic.
Such as the hot attics, the nasty crawl spaces.
I'm not going in there. There's probably a snake in there or something.
Snakes, spiders. So, for example, I'll give you long story short. It was an older house.
All right, this is Florida. How old are we talking?
50s.
50s. Okay, that's
So
not too bad. I like 50s
a little bit
music.
older of a house. Now, these older houses, they use these tar and gravel roofs. It's just an older style roof. And in this particular house, there had been a house fire in the attic or in the kitchen that went up to the attic. So both parts.
50s. Are you talking the roof was on this house since the 50s?
Mm-hmm. So what they did was they added a new roof on that tar and gravel roof.
Okay.
Does that make sense? So the roof.
Slapped something on.
The old roof is still there,
Okay.
but there's a new roof on top.
Gotcha. All right, I'm tracking.
So there was a kitchen fire.
Okay. That could happen. It's maybe.
And it led into the attic.
Okay.
Both parties weren't aware of the kitchen fire. There was no disclosures or anything like that. We found the problem and we let the buyer know.
Oh. And then they got out of that contract lickety split because they had a good agent like Nadine.
And hey, that's why you get a home inspection.
Oh, yeah. They didn't disclose there was a home fire?
Both parties weren't aware. They could have bought the house and not been aware, and things happen.
And this is why peace of mind is on all of my contracts.